Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Hope everybody's having a great day. It is Wednesday. Today is going to be JJ's, early release day for one, and also we're going to go to a school later for open house. So that'll be really fun. That'll be great. Get to see his teachers and see his classroom and so on. So that'll be pretty cool. But yesterday I had to go in for a procedure at the urologist, and they put a camera where no camera's been before. And I had a lot of anxiety, and they gave me something to calm me down. But when I got home, I was out for like 17 hours. I was asleep. That's crazy. So I'm still feeling tired, actually. So after all that, which is, I don't know, I'm just tired, even after 17 hours of sleep. That was definitely the most sleep I've had in a long time. But I do have surgery coming up in December, I think December 7th, if I'm not mistaken. So that's coming up. Not too excited about it, but that's that. And JJ was kind of tired this morning himself, and kind of dragging, and kind of got a little bit of stuffiness going on. So, but he went off to school fine. He's really a good boy. He's really changed a lot in the last couple of years, for sure. We're very proud of him for that. Everything that he's accomplished and everything that he's done, he's awesome. We're very lucky to have such a beautiful boy like that. I'm going to try to put a little video at the end of this, just trying to let you know what's going on with us all. And I know I haven't done a video again in a while. I was working on a video before I went to the doctor, so obviously I didn't finish it. And I'll try to get working on something. So I guess that's it for now. I hope everybody does have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you all soon. God bless you all. Bye-bye.
Balloon copter. Balloon copter.
It's a really cool lightning show. It's like fireworks in the sky, huh?
It is.
What do you think about all that lightning? Is that a lot of lightning? It's a lot of lightning, man.
It's like they're all the way across.
Balloon, watch lightning.
Yeah, all the balloons watching
They're all
lightning.
the way across.
Balloon copter for old house.
Yes, sweetie. Balloon copter at the old house, sure. And look at some cool lightning.
Yeah. Balloon copter. Balloon copter sound.
Yeah,
Balloon.
that's a balloon copter sound. Amazing lightning tonight.
Balloon copter sound.
I hear it. Yeah. Balloon copter, huh? JJ and his balloon copter. You want to lay down on the hammock and watch it, or what? Do you want to lay down on your hammock and watch it, or no? Sit in a chair.
Balloon copter sound.
See if it comes here. Might come here. I'm thinking it's a pretty good chance it'll make its way here.
iPad.
What? Say again?
iPad.
You want your iPad by your hammock?
Yes.
Okay. There's your tubes, huh, bud?
A lot of
Yes.
You're a gift.
them. Here, bud.
JJ's our gift.
Yes.
her gift. You're a gift from God. JJ, I got one question for you. How'd you get so handsome? How did you get so darn handsome? Huh? How'd you do it? I don't get it.
Gift.
You're a gift.